Welcome to another Firefly tutorial. Here is a quick tip on how to use our split ring opener pliers. These are great to use on keychains or our split rings. This is what a split ring looks like. And the first thing you're going to do is put your split ring onto the pliers. Then using this little tool on the top, you're going to squeeze down and open up the split ring. Then you're going to slide on your chain, your clasp, or whatever else you're going to be attaching to this split ring. Using the other pair of pliers, you're going to finish it out. And that is it. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Happy beading!